Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we're going to take a look, or an unboxing rather, of the brand new Oracle deck, the Faerie Pathways Oracle by Paulina Fae. Now, Paulina has actually, we stocked 2 of her decks, her tarot decks in the store. So you can see from the style, it's basically a continuation of her gorgeous, so this is her style of illustration. So I'll pop those up. Yeah, so those 2 I actually have, and they do very well. This one particularly sells. Look at that beautiful Ellie. Okay, so we're moving into the world of fairies. So how does Paulina, you have to excuse me, so I've got a slight cold yet again. Right, so fairies are playful guides, sometimes visible to the naked eye, sometimes delightfully elusive. They move through our world in harmony with our dimensional plane. Clever and headstrong, they have their own way of capturing your attention. A flicker of laughter, a glimmer of light at the corner of your eye, or a subtle shift in the energy around you. Your guardian fairy is always near, ready to assist you along your life's path. Their wish is to share their wisdom and playful guidance whenever you call upon them. These cards are crafted to help you connect more deeply with your natural abilities for insight and perception. Each card holds a spark of self-enrichment, offering ideas and inspiration that you can weave into any situation in your life. The fairies delight in drawing your attention to the endless well of potential that exists within and around you. Take their guidance to heart, allowing the affirmation to blossom and manifest into your everyday life. Now, Paulina has done a couple of spreads in there, so you can use those spreads for the deck. And then the card meanings. Now, they are in alphabetical order, which is always wonderful. Okay, but there are 70 of them. So there are 70 cards within this little oracle deck, and I believe that they run beautifully with the Magicmakers Tarot, or for either of her decks actually. Right, so your guardian fairies are only moments away from inspiring you on your life path. These sensitive light beings are playful and crafty, clever and headstrong, ready to guide you in their ways of wisdom. The Faerie Pathways Oracle helps you connect with 70 magical fae spirits, each offering an essential ingredient for self-enrichment and ideas you can apply to any situation in your life, as it just previously said in the book. Delightful and delicate illustrations make it easy to connect with each fairy's energy. Take their messages to heart and allow the affirmations to help you access hidden talents, gain new perspectives, solve problems, and head towards the joyful future you've always envisaged. Now, I love oracle cards, especially when you're starting out on this journey, because it's a really great way to tap into the energies that you have within yourself already. So it's like consulting the wise within. Okay, so let's take a look at these cards. As we know, there are 70. They are a very gentle texture. So they are smooth, but not, they're glossy, but not high sheen. The quality of the card is very good. That's one single card. And they are in this grey muted colour, I guess you could say, on the background, and they all have the beautiful poppies. Okay, so let's start, and I'm going to run through these. Now, remember, you're in charge, so you can speed me up or slow me down because you've got the YouTube settings there. And there's a little point in me basically hovering around each card when you can literally slow them down. And I wonder if these are in any way connected to the tarot, if she's used similar cards and produced, or if these are, no, these are her own fae, aren't they? She said it was each with her, so you've got courage. They're all in alpha, which is great. Look at the little, so pretty. She's an amazing artist. And to think that she will have done every single one of these 70 cards. She's obviously pencil sketched them, isn't it? Because you can see the outsides, and then she's painted the actual fairy. Oh, the possibilities. Okay, so that's the last one. That is an unboxing of the Faerie Pathways Oracle, available in store. So you can get them from my shop. Alternatively, you can buy them from Amazon if you're not able to access them from outside the UK. So I put links in the descriptions for you. All right, thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye. Let me know what you think in the comments.